In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you add interest to your Instagram algorithm. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Navigate to the profile page. Click on three bars given at the top left. Now, scroll down and head over to the option Content Preferences. Inside this, you're gonna find the option Your Algorithm at the very top. Click on that. Now from here, you are able to add interest to your algorithm. All you have to do is click on this option of add for the first section. What do you want to see more of? I'm gonna add few topics. Fun content, likewise fashion related content. Once you are done with adding your interest, you'll be good to go. Your algorithm will be updated according to that. Likewise, you can also customize whether you want more or less of any of the content. You can just click on the content, then select move to see less, or you can completely remove that as well. So that's it. This way you can easily add interest to your Instagram algorithm. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.